Okay, once you log into CS First, you're going to come to a page that's really a lot of advertisements about the program. So you want to come up and click on the button that is going to take you to your classes. So I'm going to click on the My Classes button in the upper right hand corner, and it's going to take me to the page where everything starts. So go ahead and click on that, and it takes you to the actual lesson. And in this case, it's create your own Google logo. And you'll notice that on the side, the right-hand side, are some instructions under the green banner. You're going to watch the video first. You're then going to open the starter project, and then you're going to return to this page and watch more videos as you go farther and farther along in the project. What you're going to have basically is two tabs open. And what I would do is make these the only two tabs open in this particular window. Right now, if this tab happens to be in a window with lots of other things open, I would go up here to the tab itself, right click on it, and move the tab to a new window, which is the third item down. That way, this will be the window in which you do all of your CS First work. Okay, when you have watched that first video, or even before, you can click on under links where it says Starter Project. Okay, so if you click on that, you'll notice that a second tab opens. So what you're going to be doing is jumping back and forth between this tab, where you're going to be learning how to create a project in Scratch, and this tab over here, where you're going to be watching a video. And you're going to be moving back and forth between the two tabs. Okay? So if you keep it simple like this, where you go back and forth between the two tabs, it'll make sense. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see a bunch of other sort of mini lessons that are part of this overall lesson, and you'll want to try different ones out. But again, this tab, in this case the first tab, has all the videos and the instructions, and this tab, the second tab, has the project you're going to be working on. The next time you return to the welcome page, the My Classes page of CS First, you are going to see two ways of getting back into your work. The one on the left is the Scratch project you're working on, so you might want to click on that to get it going first. This way it won't ask you to log in again. So there's your Scratch project that you were working on. Okay, and then if you click on the next one, the one on the right, that will take you to where all the videos are housed. Okay, and again, you can jump back and forth between this video.
Hi, I'm Olga.
And the work you're doing in Scratch. Okay, so you start off with just one of those buttons to click on, and now you have two of them available to you. I always click on the Scratch one first, because if you don't, it will sometimes ask you to log in again, which is a bit of a pain.